video, I will show you how to go from the standard corn plate to the SeedRight John Deere large cell plate used for wheat and other cover crops. You will need to make one easy change to your meter. You're going to first take out your existing plate and remove the clip. You will adjust the center hub. We recommend giving it at least 2 full clockwise turns. Then put your clip back in. We want the plate to be tight against the meter when going from crop to crop. Insert the John Deere large cell plate and lock into place. There should be a light friction as you move the plate. As you can see, our plate moves freely and needs tightened. Now you can see there's minimal movement between our meter and the plate. The plate does not free spin. You can find this plate on SeedRight.com along with our rate charts that you can pull down and print at your convenience.